What is going on, everybody? I'm Norm from PhoneDog.com. I got the Kins right here. Kin 1 in white, Kin 2 in black. I'm Norm from PhoneDog.com. Here you go, brand new Microsoft, Verizon, launching now the future of social networking on your mobile phone, or at least they think so. So let's check it out. We're going to do the Kin 1 unboxing. Although, you know, since I have Kin 2, probably there'll be another video up if you want to see that one. Let's get to Kin 1. All right, so here's the Kin 1. This is going to be available for order online from Verizon starting on May 6th and in Verizon stores starting May 13th. This one, the Kin 1, is going to run you $49.99 on contract after rebate, 2-year contract. This is actually the box, the retail package. You know, they sent out an invite to the launch, and you might have seen some of the videos, 2 of the videos we did from the launch, in a similar kind of cylindrical container, and they're using that for the phone as well. You know, always kind of interesting, and I don't know, maybe they should have a contest to see, you know, you can reuse the packaging to make something, I don't know, like little buoys for when you're swimming, you know, arm float kind of things. Anyway, in the box, here's the USB cable. You can see the phone is actually made by Sharp. It says so right there, Windows Phone, Verizon, Sharp on the box. But you get your USB cable, micro USB to USB. You get your power adapter, USB, you plug that into the thingy. You get your stereo headset, so it's stereo, right? It's a stereo headset, so it's stereo. What I'm trying to say, though, is it's stereo earphones, and then we get this open. We should have, since it says headset, an inline microphone of some sort. Yep, there it is. So you get an inline mic, a little remote control, 3.5 millimeter, and look, it even says Kin on the earphones there. You're branded for life. And then you get the phone. So here's the phone. You turn me on. Sweet. Thanks, man. Compatible with Zune. You can use your Zune Pass, or you can sideload music. Here's your product safety and warranty guide, your SAR emissions. What does it say what the SAR emissions are on this phone? Should start paying more attention to that. No, it's just information about SAR in general. You want to know more about SAR, you can go to our website, find out about it. Here's the Kin 1. So the Kin 2 is the hey, there I am. What's up? The Kin 2 is the horizontal slider. The Kin 1 is this turtle phone, codenamed Turtle a while back. Or at least people thought it was. Who knows if it really was. And so it slides. It doesn't slide down, even though you might think it does from that overhang there, or underhang. But it slides up, full QWERTY, and you've got kind of a little curved action. Kind of like if you took a Palm Pre and you mushed it down so it got shorter and wider. We'll fire this up here. I'm not sure where the power button is. Is it the camera button? Is it the... Should I read the directions? Is it that button? Is it the green? Oh, there it is. Okay. Just going to press every button until it comes on. So like we said, $49.99 requires a data plan. $29.99 will get you unlimited data. And it is unlimited. I checked with Verizon because the deal with these Kin phones is that everything you do on them, your photos, your messages, your call history, all that stuff is automatically backed up to the Kin Studio website. Strong integration here with the online presence, the web presence in this phone. So you're definitely going to want that online or that unlimited data plan for $30 a month, plus whatever your voice plan is. 5-megapixel camera with SD video capture, autofocus, and flash. But all those 5-megapixel photos being, you know, automatically uploaded, backed up, and synced to your Kin Studio. There, you're definitely going to want the unlimited data. So it's a full touch screen, and let's start by typing my name. My name is Noah. To scroll down the screen, slide your finger up. Try it. Okay. To go back, press the back button. Got it. Capacitive touchscreen. Type an existing email address. Excuse me 1 second. And we're back. Terms of service. Accept. Keyboard, you know, I only typed a few things on it, but so far so good. The keys are nice and big, kind of chiclet style action. It actually is, even though it might look a little funny that the phone's so wide, it makes for a roomy keyboard. It is kind of very similar. It's kind of very similar. It is very similar to the Palm Pre, just in terms of the, you know, kind of curved out shell with the lip on the outside and the layout of the keys and stuff. but larger keys, so pretty easy to type on there. Automatic reporting, sure, why not? Sign into your social networks. All right, so social networking, big deal on this phone. So let's sign in. We'll sign into my Twitter account here. I mean my Facebook account first, and now we're gonna sign into my Twitter account. You can follow me on Twitter if you like. Where's the underscore button here? No, not that one. Is there a special okay, there we go. So I pressed the emoticon button to get to the special characters. Do Phone Dog Noah. Now I'll do my password. All right, and now it's getting my Facebook contacts, and it's saving and signing into Twitter. So we'll go to next, and then I'll auto load in the background. So here's the spot. This is one of the things on the both the Kin 1 and the Kin 2. You grab things and drag them to the spot to share them with people. So we'll touch the image, hold it till it lifts, drag it to the spot, and tap it again. Tap it to open it. And so now in the spot, I've got that image, and I can upload it, or I can do something with it. Tap it again to close it. And so with the spot, you upload things to your... oh, look at that. There's my latest Twitter update, my Twitter photo. All right. So with the spot, you can upload things to your social networks, or you can share them via SMS, MMS, or email. And so some updates there from my Twitter network. All right, now if we scroll that way, we get to apps. So messaging, phone, email, browser, music and more, camera, settings, alarm, feed reader, search, contacts, help. And go back the other way, favorites. So I'll set up a favorite here. And it's loading in my, my Facebook contacts. So all right, so I'm gonna have to sync this with my other contacts as well. But let's grab somebody from they're not all loaded up yet, that's why. It's going in alphabetical order here, and we're not all the way done. Yeah. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading all my contacts. Here's Christy. Christy writes New York Minute for us. So we'll load up Christy as one of my favorites. Because really she is. She's one of my favorites. Now I think this would populate with a picture before too long, but we're not quite there yet. So 2-finger tap to end to go into edit mode, or to get out of edit mode. And we'll go back here, and we'll go back to the apps. And let's go to the browser. We'll check out the web browser. Capacitive touch display. Of course, let's check out phonedog.com. Loading it up, the device does have Wi-Fi as well as Verizon 3G over Verizon's EVDO network. I did not turn Wi-Fi on though. Perhaps I should have done that. And so we'll take you back. There's a lot to this device. We're going to do a lot more with it. We'll take you, the browser's loading, but we'll take you back real quick just so you can see. When you press and hold, you go back to the loop. I should have said before, this main screen with all your social networking updates and your RSS feeds and all that kind of stuff, this is called the loop. And basically, this is just showing you what's going on with your peeps. So here's a Facebook update. There's a Twitter update. It's still kind of syncing, get everything kind of all going here, but we'll see what my man Michael Selvage had to say here. So there you go. You tap on something, and it loads up what that status update was. This is a retweet from this is from his Twitter or Facebook. But you can write a comment, so you can post, on this. It's comments, so it must be Facebook. You can post directly on here. You can hit once to go back. I can go back to the top. I can tap on myself, and then I can share something, and it'll update automatically to Twitter or Facebook. So there you go. Now it's switched to my Facebook profile. We'll go to recent. So you can switch between your recent apps and messages. All right, so we'll go back to the browser. And there's Phone Dog. Still loading up, but it is mostly loaded here, it looks like. And so I believe we can do a little pinch to zoom action. Does it do double tap? No. Oh, so I just shared that into the spot. So I go to the spot. There's phone book is in the spot also. I don't really want to upload that though. So there you go. So, you know, it's a first look. It's just an unboxing. You're going to have to play with this one. There's a lot to this. Didn't even show you the stuff, the online sync with the studio, and the keyboard and everything. You know, there's so much to this device. It's a brand new platform, brand new UI, and if nothing else, I like that they made it fresh. You know, it's whether you wind up liking it or not liking it. We're looking at the camera app there. Let it, yes, because it'll geotag everything. It's just kudos to Microsoft, and you know, Verizon is our launch partner, Sharp is the hardware partner, for doing something a little bit different. I think that's kind of neat. And again, we'll have to see how it actually turns out. There's no calendar on this thing. There's only the alarm. You can set alarms, but there's no calendar. You can't sync any sort of calendar online or anything like that. But a ton to get into, so this is just kind of a first look. There's Tom Klein, the big phone dog himself. Yeah, it's still syncing up, so we'll get into that more. But for your context, you can drill down to, you know, each of their social networks, and you can link them up. You know, set their photo. All that kind of stuff. There's a lot of stuff here, but it's all based around social networking and sharing content, you know, via social networking. So all your photos, everything you do, automatically sync to your Kin Studio website, and then as well, very easy to share on your social networking services. And you know, that's how it works. There's Christy. What's up, Christy? Let's tap on Christy's photo. So I can link her. Yeah, we'll get this all set up later. There's Christy's recent Facebook updates. But there you go, a very, very brief unboxing first look, even though this is over 10 minutes. There's just so much going on here, like I said. You know, we're going to play with this one for a while, give you all the information we can on the Kin 1 and the Kin 2. Again, $49.99 on contract, 2-year contract, $49.99 after rebate, requires data plan, $30 a month, unlimited data, plus whatever you pay for your voice minutes through Verizon. And available for order online May 6th, in stores May 13th, but we got you covered now. Headphone jack on the top, compatible with your Zune and Zune Pass, so you can sideload content onto it, camera on the back, video capture, all that good stuff. It's the Microsoft Kin 1 from Verizon. That's me right there, Noah from PhoneDog.com. Much, much more on the Kin 1 and the Kin 2 on PhoneDog.com. And this is just the beginning. We'll be hitting you up with lots of updates. I'm going to be using these a lot. Very excited to see, you know, how they actually function in day-to-day life. Till next time, I'm Noah from PhoneDog.com. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.